What is up? We're doing cheese time because it's your team cheese time. What was your fan art, Saiku? Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? Thomas, what's up? Ushik, some person. Saiku. Ace, man. I just put some new fan art in the folder. So. Oh, that's your fan art. Okay. Yeah, right. Nice. Got a new monitor today. Let's go. What'd you get? Will my fan art be the update banner? I can put it in a banner. The Oppenheimer, yeah. It is pretty good. If you want me to. Yeah. KTC monitor, the cheapest names on this very last one. That's good. Nice. Spent 5 minutes on it. It shows. No, I'm joking. It's pretty good. I like it. I like it. All right, that's enough cheese time. Ooh. So you guys are gonna freak. I cleaned up my desktop. It was getting to the point where Windows was taking too long to sort things, and I was tired of it. But now, I hope it actually changed things. I think it did. I think I can actually sort things. Yeah. I know. It's insane. It's insane. I never thought I would have gotten to this point, you know, but it's time. And I lost stuff again. This, Notepad++ is annoying sometimes. I had the, v6.3 changelog open, and then it said, your files have been reloaded, and then I lost all the new changes. So I don't know what was on there. I think I took most of it off. But yeah, it's annoying. I don't know what was on there, but yeah. Personally, sort of further than... Well, yeah, I'll probably go through these files and try to delete the old ones that don't matter anymore. Like, new folder 7. I don't know what's in these. What is this? It's like a bunch of tracks? Hold on. We're gonna play them. I don't know if these are copyrighted or not. I know where that comes from. Yeah. That's so loud, I'm sorry. This one was in it too. I don't think that one was, but it's kind of fire. Was it? Okay. This one was in it. For anyone that doesn't know what we're talking about, there's a little video. Tap on Game Squad, that's not it. I'm exposing our secrets. There's this funny little video right over here, the problem with Ace's face. Watch this if you want. Really? I am the person that created this video. Okay, anyways. Yeah, nice clean desktop. It looks a little weird. It looks a little scary. I don't know how I feel about it. But hopefully now we can actually sort our files and get through stuff. Yeah, it is the podcast. It's so frustrating. I don't know what I lost on here, you know, when I lost all the stuff. Because I know there were some notes I made that I just put down on V6.3. And I was like, I'm just going to keep this for later. And now it's gone. I don't know. I don't know what was on there. Maybe we actually have a recording of what was on there from another stream. We probably do. So... Well, I do, but it's just... Well, the Notepad++ is so good about not deleting stuff. A lot of the times, these files aren't saved anywhere. Like, it's just in Notepad++, which I know, it's stupid. Actually, that's the funny thing. The changelog was saved on my desktop, and then it just deleted everything. That's what's stupid about it. Even if I save it, it still dies, but whatever. I figured out a setting that's much better also for these tabs. You can do it like this, where it's like multi-line. Because the thing that sucked before was I had to click the arrows, and then it's so stupid. But this is better. So, yeah. I don't even have Godot open. If I'm being for real right now. Do you guys see Godot editor? There it is. Put that over there. Have that many notepad tabs open? I know. Look, I am a little goober, okay? I like to have things open. Yeah, what's everyone been up to today, though? How's it been hanging? Hanging low, hanging high? What's the hang level? Save open at times like 4 or 5. I know. I'm bad at it. I need to improve. I know. Also, you said that notifications played twice. I didn't know that was happening. We need to fix that. Is it because... Let's see. Might be because of this. Control audio via OBS. Okay, can someone do something? Can someone redeem like the cheapest reward so we can test it? Actually, I can. I'll just do hydrate. So I hear it once. Do you guys hear it multiple times? So to monitor only. Where is it? Control via OBS. Alerts. Advanced audio properties. I have it. You're saying just monitor only? Let's try that. Was that one time? Was that once? Let me know. Okay. Alrighty. But yeah, anyways, today... So we added the bombs last night, but they don't actually do anything. So I want to make them do stuff. So we're going to work on that. And we also might get around to farming. We'll see. But yeah. Got that up for... I think I just did the wrong setting. I didn't ignore you. I just did monitor and output. But we're good. Okay, so bombs. We're gonna have to figure out how to do this. So basically, this is gonna be handled in the tool action script. And this is where I can say else. And now we can say if dang it, I forgot to put the new one in here. Oh, I didn't sing the new one yet. That's what, yeah. You got ulterior motives, tell me the truth. Maybe we'll do a little karaoke session today. Okay, so held items. Posture check. Oh, I didn't see that you redeemed hydrate, by the way, Oshik. Sorry about that. Okay. So basically, we're just checking, is it a bomb? So if it's equal to bomb, then we can activate the bomb. So to do this, what we are going to do... Where is it? I think there's a function to remove something with a specific name. Yeah. Epic. Remove amount. So we can just say remove bomb and remove one. Yeah. So let's go try that, shall we? Everyone moves on. You've got ulterior motives with the truth. I'm also going to set the swing angle. So it's like we swing the item. DJ Maxx to the higher is so nice. Never played DJ Maxx. I hear it's about like a DJ or something. Oh yeah, we gotta get walkers set up. I almost forgot. Who here wants walkers? I don't know why I expected that to show up in anything. You'll get it. There it is. Where did you send the walkers link? Oh, Sheik, if you're here. Was that in Project Showcase? Yeah, there it is. Walkers. Let's get the new walkers. Back, welcome back. We're getting walkers set up. Okay, so let's get this. Boom. Hold on, hold on. Oh yeah. Walkers is configured. Okay. So let's go check this bomb. Let's go build a bomb. Oh yeah, stone bricks look different now. They're moving. Oh, you have it set up so it has to be open. Okay. So that indeed works, but as you can see, not really. But we'll fix it. Lotion, toner, creams galore. Just still need more. Ointment on my eyes, lotion on my thighs. If there's no cream, I die. Ointment in my crevices, toner's not malevolent. If there's no okay, I'm just gonna return false on this. Lit. Oh, sorry, wrong line. Changing up the formulas, my skin's gonna turn green. So we're gonna say if that, then we swing it. I use ointments, never bleach. Lotion, toner, creams galore. There we go. I just still need more. Ointment on my eyes, lotion on my thighs. If there's no cream, I die. Okay. Crevices, toner's not malevolent. If there's no cream, I die. So I need to do an event. So we're gonna say main dot something like that. Lotion is my only dream. Huh. Ugh. Ugh. I dreamt of a funny version of tennis last night. Oh yeah? What was that? This must be reliable. So we're actually gonna pass the item name. We're just gonna do this. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna do yeah. So this will happen on the server also now. Yeah, so we're gonna say if multiplayer dot is server, and we're gonna do that. Okay, should be good. Core was a circle and would fold and unfold. The players had to swap sides of the fold. That's pretty wacky. Yeah. What's up, Biggie Miller? How's it going? How you doing today? Uh-oh. Oh. I'll just say that. But alright, turned 20 today. Nice. Happy birthday. Maxwell also turned today. He's yeah. I just doxed. Just doxed his birthday. I didn't dox the year, so we're okay. Yeah, 20 years old. Oh my god, man. It's me right now.
Every day I wake up fine, but then these thoughts start to cloud up my mind. The little goblins say, how do you do? At least they have more manners than you.
I'm getting better at whistling, guys.
Goblins in my brain tell me what to do. I'd rather listen to them over you. At least they're my friends. Our friendship will never end. I need to follow their instructions, even if I cause a ruckus.
Not bad. I used to not be able to whistle at all like 2 years ago. Want to hear an interesting song? Sure, let's hear it. I would be interested.
They tell me to do
Various acts.
kill the policeman with the sharpest axe. The axe is sharp, but I know I ain't.
Soul music. Yeah, send it me in DMs.
Why there are goblins in my brain.
That's why there's goblins in his brain.
Goblins in my brain.
Tell me what to do.
I'd rather
Listen to them over you.
At least they're my friends. Our friendship will never end. I need to
Follow their instructions, even if I cause a ruckus. It's a vibe. So we can use the bomb. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good stuff.
The goblins in my brain tell me what to do.
I feel like you've stepped into a new dimension. Why is that?
Listen to them over you. At least they're my friends. Our friendship will never end. I need to follow their instructions.
Oh, yeah.
If I
Cause a ruckus. I like to take my whole life. Yeah, it is really nice getting a higher refresh rate. It's a big, oh, let's see. We got a song here. Docs. Whoa. If I with this. Goes pretty hard. Whoa! Whoa. Dude, why did you have to go so hard in the paint? That goes hard. Gosh, dang. That was pretty fire. Song went hard, dude. What the heck? Oh boy. Song has a pattern that you can't reproduce. Who made that song? Was it you? Because, dude, that goes hard. Yeah, that is... I would imagine it would be kind of hard to reproduce something like that. But it goes hard. Also, what's up, Bobby? How's it going? Various acts. Oh. Guys, I'm about to do a little life hack here. Why make a new particle if I can use the same one? Oh, yeah. And I'll have to change a few things here and there, but this is the way. Hey, Chip, what's up? I just popped in. Yeah, I can play the song that went hard. Let me do it. Oh, I got off of it. Gosh dang it. Let's get back to where we were. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you shared yours? Awesome. Yeah, I can hear it. The end there's a bass that sounds like Any Call the Lamb's music. Oh, yeah. River Boy. I gotta pay attention to that. Goes so hard. Because I got another one. Hey, some person, what's up? I like this one. Yeah, I can add it to the playlist. You know, if anybody wants me to add their music to the playlist, let me know and I will. Because I'm more than happy to. So. Oh, we got an ad. Let me snooze that. Get out of here. Yeah, I like it. Oh, that was over. No, it's not. Sorry about that. That goes hard. I like it. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, so farming will be mainly for food, but I figured we could also explore adding food that is more than just, or plants that are more than just food. So, yeah, let me know if anyone has ideas for that. So do you guys want me to add both of these to the playlist? Because I'm happy to. Just let me know. I'm not going to do any of that without explicit permission, so, because obviously I could get in trouble. Do it, alrighty. Just gotta get one more hit. It's so funky. And Bobby, let me know if you would like me to. Of course, completely optional. Just forget about that. So you guys can probably tell what I'm making here. I'm making an explosion. Really awesome. Okay, I will do it. Let me do that right now. Did it download? Oh. Download. There we go. Epic. Yeah, if anyone has music they'd like to be put on the playlist, let me know. Mixing tame animals and make them run on treadmills when they die of exhaustion. Maybe. I will consider it. I might do animals at some point, but farming is easier for right now, so... Also, I need to look at an image of an explosion. Just so I can make sure I'm actually doing it good. Oh, yeah, you're right. I actually have to add it. Oh. There we go. Okay. I want it to look nice and simple. You know? That's pretty freaking cool. That takes so much work to do an explosion like this. Just always drag them into the playlist? Oh, okay. I didn't know you could even do that. It's not bad. This is so cool. Well, I can't just like make it, like do that. The problem is that this is someone else's work, so you can't just steal it. But I'm just trying to break it down. Here we go. This is kind of what I've been looking for. So contrast flash. So really I see two kinds. So there's the yellow one that starts out. They start out white. So let's work on color. So they start white. Well, really they start black, but it's like one frame. And then over time, they will fade out to sort of a yellow color. And then slowly into red. And then into black. And then this is way too slow, of course. And the white is basically imperceptible. And then this is going to be almost like smoke. I can't even see the white frame. It's like it's not even going there. I think it is, it's just so fast. Okay. And then in terms of scale, of course it'll start off pretty small. Oh, that's why I can't even see it. Also, I don't know why this is going from there. Why don't I set the shape to point? Let's just delete that. Gotta try dragging stuff sometimes. It's fun. Yeah, I will. Usually use IMS. I'm also trying to... Oh, LMMS, sorry. Also trying to learn FL Studio. Awesome. Yeah, FL Studio is pretty good. I like FL Studio. Whoa. Add some size variation. It is pretty hard to make good looking explosions and particles, but I'm working on it. I think really there's kind of two components to this. And I think trying to do it in one is not a good idea. Because really there's the smoke and there's the explosion, you know? So we'll do the smoke first. Around there. And this will expand over time. And now this one will actually last a bit long. And it starts out a little bit too fast. That's a little bit too slow. That's almost there, but not quite. So we need way more particles. That's not bad. So that would be the smoke component, and then we'd add another one, which is the like fire. So we're gonna go into direction will be full. Okay, we're almost there. There's actually a video on how to do this. We could just we could take a quick look just to see if there's anything we could pick up on here. So that's just doing a directional explosion. I don't know how good this one's gonna look. Oh. That's all. Okay, not that. It's hard to make it look good, you know, that's the thing. I think what we're doing here probably looks better than anything else, so we'll just keep going. And then... So really we want this to be really fast. So this will kind of immediately shoot out. And we'll do a texture. Scale we will do. Actually, I'm not going to do a curve. So we're going to go pretty big with this. And then obviously we're going to have this pretty quickly fade away. This is too long. Even less than that. So you can kind of see that a little bit now. Obviously, these are not playing at the right times. And also initial velocity, let's set the smaller one a little lower. So we'll start that. We'll pretty quickly go to yellow. Then just fade out into a red, invisible. That's the problem, it's too. That's better. Other thing that we want to do, it seems like the angle isn't actually changing. Oh yeah, there we go. Of course, it's timed at like the wrong time. So that's, yeah, above it, which is what we... Oh, you can kind of see it in low FPS. How it is white for just a frame. It's like I need to do tangential acceleration. Like just really fast acceleration, but not initial velocity. Oh, but just like a tiny bit of velocity so that I can actually get going. Working on learning to use the piano in songs. I feel like I could send you a small song that's just piano. It's also obviously, yeah, feel free to send it over. I'd love to hear it. Also, radial acceleration. That's another good one. In terms of color, maybe we do this, like, we actually just make this constant. Well, that doesn't really work out. I think we just do a little less explosiveness. Yeah. And then the smoke particles, let's name these. So for this smoke, I think it needs to last longer. There also needs to be much more. And it needs to be bigger. Kind of like that. It's pretty hard to make an explosion. Obviously, it doesn't seem like it's hard, but it's just so fast, it's hard to get it exactly right. feel like this emission shape will need to be like a sphere. If you imagine these going out at the same time. I think we could also have another particle emitter. And this will be kind of like little bits that fly off. So if we do just a really high initial velocity, get rid of all this acceleration stuff. Oh, that's then lifetime for this will be really short. Keep that the way it is. So scale will be like, could do 2. And then I think this is also must be a point. That's not bad. It looks weird because they're playing at different times over and over, but when we actually combine it together, it should be all right. So let's give that a try. All right. Mastered song creation. Tend to be bored of it now. Yeah. Listen. Plus Spotify. I like it. It goes hard. Because when you explode the bomb, it has a drastic increase on your carbon footprint. Yeah, maybe. I'll have to think about that. But that could be a fun idea. So now I make all these one shot. Okay. So that'll happen. Then we're going to say if lifespan less than equals 0, we're going to say explode. Then on explode, I'm also going to make these two invisible. Okay. So it should have like a 5-second timer. And then it should blow up. So back to the player script. So we're adding the bomb. Hey, Jacobson42, thank you so much for the follow. We're going to say, well, position is equal to global position. Okay, let's see what this does. I don't know if this is going to work. The sounds, there's no sounds. That's a big part of an explosion, of course, but we'll see. So let's go to single player. Manual save. Yeah, also, Oshiki, you're saying, I'm trying to make it so you can add custom walkers. I'm stuck on how to divide the sprite sheet. Yeah, so how would you go about that? It's a good question. I think what you could do is just safely assume that the sprites are square. Just make that a requirement. Because then what you could do is just say, well, if all of them are squares, the tile size or the sprite frame size is exactly the same as the height of the sprite sheet. So that's probably what I would do. I could try to think of other solutions to that though. Do I plan on adding more planets, base building, or enemies outside of dungeoning? Yeah, well, I mean, there'll definitely be more dungeoning planets. I do have plans for not really a planet, but the space hub. And that's kind of like a area that you can go trade with people and stuff. So you place the bomb. Oh. Okay, it worked, but they went a million times. So let's fix that. I thought I set them to one shot. Oh. So that's set to one shot. One shot. It's all one shot. So that's pretty weird that it like went a bunch. Because it should just happen once. This is a problem. It's very sometimes it's weird. You have to like restart them. I don't know why. And we might not even need to emit them. I'm not sure. But let's give this a try. I didn't need to restart it. Well, the sprite sheet has 2 or more lines. Well, that's a thing. Like, just make it so that your sprite sheets have to be horizontal. You know, and just horizontal sprite sheets, that's a pretty common thing. If people can't deal with that, I think that's kind of stupid. So look, guys, at the bottom, Shimiji. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's like a extension. Oh, it's a little mushroom. No, this is not though. It's just something Oshik made actually. So yeah, it's pretty cool though. It's basically stream avatars, but free. So pretty cool. Hey, we got a raid. Grumble of Pugs, thank you so much for the raid. How's everyone doing? What's going on, everybody? Let me give you a shout out really quick. So appreciate it. What are you guys up to today? There you go. And I'll drop you a follow also. Well, yeah, I thought your game looked cool. Well, I appreciate it, yeah. Someone follow then reaches 1,000. Oh, I might be the 1,000th follower then. Let's go. Hey, thank you so much for the bits. I appreciate that. Yeah, welcome everybody. I can kind of talk about the game if anybody doesn't know what it is already. But this is a Starground. It's half automation and then half dungeoning. This is the automation area. Yeah, you can go dungeoning, fight enemies. Cool stuff. We were just working on some consumable items. It's kind of a new thing that I just started adding. I'll go ahead and just die so I can go back to the main area. Yeah, welcome everybody. Game was really cool. I appreciate it. Yeah. Listed on my wish list. Let's go. Thank you. Toilet on that chair. Yeah. There's a little toilet on that chair. It's just spinning around having a good time. Yeah, we've been working on these consumable items, so now you can actually drag and drop different items that you have down into these hotbars. So I'm just kind of working on this bomb working. It should... That's incorrect. That's very much not right. So now I have to figure out why that's happening. Oh, that's why it's happening. Of course. So if lifespan is greater than 0, then we decrease it. Otherwise, we explode. I'll just say var it equals false. So if it has not exploded, then yeah, we do that. Okay. Now this should hopefully look good. Very cool game. I appreciate it. And thank you for the follow, by the way, Lion Master. Appreciate that. Just working on my game, getting roasted by chat. You know how it goes. I do know how it goes, yeah. I actually organized my desktop today because I was getting tired of the personal attacks. But yeah, desktop is nice and clean. So yeah, this should work. I got the particles set up. But what kept happening, it was just looping forever, even though it's set to one shot. But it's because I had it in the process event. So that was just a silly mistake. So this should just explode like normal. And it does. It's the smoke is a little dense. I need to lighten up on the alpha, but it's looking pretty decent, I'd say. That's my, yeah, it is my desktop. This is a custom rendered scene I did in Blender. My friend Ace actually did it first, but then I kind of opened the project and cleaned up a few things. Yeah, it's the end of Evangelion. All the folders. Yeah, these are all my folders over here. I need to go through these and clean these up, but this is better. This is much better than what it was, trust me. All of these files that was inside of here, these were all on the desktop. It was kind of a mess, so. I click hide icons. No, no, no. I need to see the icons. But yeah. May I ask your PC specs? Yeah, so I can just open Task Manager and show you exactly. So my CPU, 3900 XT. It's been doing a pretty good job. I haven't had any major issues with it. I'm gonna pause this song for a minute because it has lyrics. This has been a solid CPU. I've enjoyed it. I've got 64 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Graphics card RTX 3080 Ti. I do spend all of my extra money on computer parts, but that's just how it goes. And then all my various discs. So some of these are really old. I think one of these, I think it's this one. This one is really old. This thing is like over a decade now, I think. So I'm kind of a little worried about using it. I might get rid of this drive. But too messy, I can't handle it. Yeah, no, that's fair, that's fair. Gotta have it soon. Have a great stream. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for the raid. I really appreciate it. But yeah, have a good rest of your day. Looks like Game Grumps over there at the end of... yeah. Man. But yeah. Looks like the explosions are working. Of course, besides the smoke being a little crazy. But that's good. So we're gonna work on that. I think right now though is that it just like hits 0, and I think you can keep using it, which is not good. So let's see. Yeah, you can just create infinite bombs. So we do have to fix that. I think I also need to speed up the explosion. Yeah. I now feel like making a few songs specifically for your streams. Yeah, you're totally welcome to. Just let me know if you've got any you want me to put on. Oh look, it's playing guitar. Drive B reminds me of the time that would mean a second floppy drive. Oh yeah. Yeah, I never used floppy drives. That was before my time, but where is it? Oh right, I have to click it again. Will it work on the resources? Not yet. I just have to implement that code into like the actual explosion logic. I'm just kind of dealing with the effects and making sure it's like working. But I have a shape cast set up, and so that's going to get a list of all the bodies in the radius of the explosion. But yeah, my aim is to have it work on the resources, specifically for like the dungeons with the resource rooms. That's kind of what I want it for. So yeah. We up the explosiveness. And then down in here in velocity and stuff. That's the thing, I have it at the absolute maximum. So. Oh, that's weird. So no tangential acceleration. Can I just have this go higher? Oh, I can. And I can increase the initial velocity just a tiny bit, but I want that like time for it to like kind of sit there at the center. It's like it gets to a point where it just goes so fast it just flies away or something. Because it's like lagging a tiny bit. We're almost there though. Still a little too slow. It's hard to get this exactly right. And, you know, I could increase the initial velocity, but gee, that doesn't seem to be doing much, though. That's the thing. I don't know. Something funny I could do when you're working on the bomb at the fan art, because it makes sense. Yeah. Now we can pull that up. Let me go get that. You'll probably not see me again in a very long time. It's currently midnight where I am today. I don't often watch Twitch Noodle at night. That's totally fair. I don't blame you. Usually by midnight I'm a little bit too tired to bother with watching streams, so but yeah. But I appreciate you popping in with the raid, yeah. So thank you so much for that. And have a good rest of your night. Where is it? It's in the fan art folder. I just modified it. There it is. There's the Oppenheimer. It's the Starground guy, but Oppenheimer. We'll just put that up here. Oh, it's gonna disappear though. That's the only issue. Cheese break. Oh man. So see ya, or not. If not, bye, and good luck with your game. Well, yeah, thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, I do cheese time now. She's on something, use a map, and only one of the explosion effects has the image semi-transparent. Use a map, and only one of the explosion effects has the image. Oh, this image? Or sorry, you can't see it, but the Oppenheimer image? Yeah, that'd be kind of funny, actually. Maybe there's a 1% chance that it's the, stop it, no way. Cheese. You guys like cheese? What's your favorite cheese? I would like to know. Because it's a super tough question for me, at least. Because there's so many good cheeses out there. Where's chat? Oh yeah, there's no chat. There we go. Yeah, fix that. Favorite cheese is that one? Oh no, which one? Turkey. Is that a cheese? Turkey cheese? American cheese. I think... Oh, we just got an ad. Gotta wait for the ads. I hate the ads. Good night. Alright, sounds good. Sea Lion Master, thank you. Oh yeah. That's a good cheese, BW. I love that. Is that you, Brandon? I just the name clicked, by the way, from the team. Yeah, yeah, I do have ads. Oh, I hate the ads so much. So that's going pretty fast. I just have to fix the fire. Okay, well, that's probably not cheese time. So what I could do with this, honestly, is just up the speed scale, and it'll just go faster. And that should do it. And the smoke, that's still a little too slow. So let me go modify that. It is, okay, yeah, I assumed. Well, what's up? How's it going? Okay, where's the color? Doing that in here. There we go. I'm just getting this in line with the actual color palette of the game. So, I think I should start this with just a little bit less opacity and then make the scale ramp faster. That's not bad. That looks a little bit better. I think that's pretty decent. Maybe just have this curve, maybe like that. Oh. That's not too bad. We'll load that in and see how it looks in game. Looks like ads are over, yeah. God, I hate the ads. Did I ever answer my cheese? I like cheddar. And then I also really like Colby Jack. Those are some of my favorites. But I also do like blue cheese and stuff. I don't know. It's hard to pick a favorite. There's a lot of good cheese. The Bombie's your favorite cheese? No way. I had a channel a few days ago. Cool stuff, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll have to take a look at yours after stream because I was meaning to do that. I just never caught the name, but now we're good, so. It was so weird. Chat was only displaying your messages. Weird. Yeah, I do have a thing printing. It's doing a million things down there. Don't worry about that. Should probably add a slight transparency gradient to the smoke. Yeah, I mean, I do have a transparency gradient. I think maybe what I could try and do is some kind of like the further away it is, the more transparent it is. We can figure something out. That's a bit better. Let's keep trying to work away at this. It is just a little bit too dense. I mean, I can decrease the number of particles a tiny bit. Or maybe just decrease the maximum scale. So let's see if we can do that in terms of color. Hue variation. I mean, good night for real. Alrighty, sounds good. See ya. No one sleeps while I'm streaming. Yeah. Oh, you meant to the sprite, not the explosion effect. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to think about that because, I mean, that could be interesting. But it might be a little weird though. Because if I do a gradient, and also it's at a really low resolution, so the problem is you're going to see each of those pixels, but we could maybe try it and see what it looks like. This is too strong. I think what I need to do is like something like this. That's better. It kind of, I think it's the initial velocity is my issue right now. It's like there's just too many of them getting grouped up at the center. And I do want some grouped up at the center, but just not so many. Yeah. So that seems to be better. I think that'll be okay. And then with that alpha change, which now that we have that, I might actually bring this back to full. So it'll be like, yeah, that's good. Okay, so you're saying, yeah, just add the Oppenheimer's image to the OBS. I could do that. Oh. So if your green screen of walkers is too tolerant, let me take a closer look at this so I can fix that. It's so tiny. Yeah, it's just a little too tolerant, isn't it? So this should be custom green. Or pure green. I mean, yeah, we're good. We don't really want any smoothness because it's pixel art. So similarity. I mean, in an ideal world, you could just do one, right? But I guess it's not exactly right. It must do like a little bit of frame blending or something, which is why similarity 1 does not work. And you don't want smoothness. I'll just go until like, I don't even remember what it was on before. Yeah, that's weird why it doesn't actually work like that. It could be because of how I'm scaling it. Let me check that. The blending mode or the scale filtering, just do point. Looks like it's a little bit better. I don't know. Let me know when it's good. I think like right there seems decent. It's not perfect. It does cut out a few. But yeah. Spotify going back up. Let me just, can I copy color just to make sure it is actually the same color? Yeah, it is. Well, I don't know. Oh, now there's also that on the side. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, it is kind of fading things in and out, isn't it? It's weird. Is it doing like frame blending or something? I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. Let's get real close. Because theoretically, just doing that should be... That's it, right? But there must be like some frame blending happening here. So let's see if we can figure that out. Allow transparency. Oh. Color space. Hook rate. Fastest. It could also be, honestly, I think there's a setting in Godot where you can actually make a transparent window. So I would look into that. I can actually look into that and see if we can figure that out. But yeah. But it does not seem to be working. So... Pretty weird. I'm gonna try to balance this the best I can. Just to get that extra green out. Oh, it's hard though. I think that's the best we're gonna do. Oh well. Okay, let me test this again now, real quick here. This should look okay. Let's get the bomb going. Oops. Let's try it. Come on. That's not bad. I think that'll do. And I think I'm also going to increase the depth of these, because right now it's kind of behind everything. And obviously an explosion would be above this stuff. Starground is a farming game now. It was kind of always bound to be a farming game. This music is too intense right now, guys. But yeah, it will be. So where is this getting printed every time? There it is. And I think in the player I'm also printing something stupid. Just I'd be mining. Okay. Well, we'll try that. Thought it was a base builder automation exploration roguelike dungeoneering game. That's a base builder automation exploration roguelike dungeoneering farm game. Oh boy. Maybe life is a farming game. It might be. Well, life is kind of a farming game. A lot of people do farm, so. But you could say the same thing about Minecraft. You know? Minecraft is a base builder, automation, exploration, roguelite, dungeoneering, like farming, fishing. It's got everything. I mean, I think you could eventually just get to a point where it is a sandbox game. So, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Then I also stopped the printing. Okay. Right now there's a 1-second cooldown. You can't activate the gears. I can't wait to blow up the entire world. Problem with that is that Starground lacks sand. Not for too long. Well, maybe we'll add some sand at some point. Alrighty. Cool. So let's actually make it do stuff, shall we? So we're going to say right on explode, we're going to do shapecast force shapecast update. And then we're going to say shapecast.get what is it called? It's not get overlapping bodies. I know there's a way to get the collide with bodies. No, that's not it. Is it just collision results? Data's return the same as. I think it's just collision result. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna print it. And what we're gonna do for performance is we're gonna actually have this disabled by default. And so we'll say enabled equals true, we'll force the update, and then set it back to false. Just because that's gonna run a lot better. So let's try that. Sand moon. Actually, I was thinking about a desert moon. That just has a bunch of sand, so maybe that'll happen. Who knows? Eventually. Get collider. You don't need to enable it. Forcing an update will update no matter if it is enabled or not. Does it? Well, I could just leave it disabled then. I just didn't know that was a thing. Yeah, disabling it does improve performance. That's why I was gonna... Well, let's try it. We'll just fully disable it. See what happens. It's just game modes, okay. So it should just print out a list of all of the colliding bodies, so let's just check that. Whoa. So that's a lot of things. Oops. Oh no, I screwed it up. It's the only problem with walkers. It's probably gonna be a weird line on the edge of the screen now. Simple Dev, hey, good night. Oh, you heading out? Well, I appreciate it. If that's the case, so yeah. Have a good night. Detected some stuff. I did, yeah. Yeah, the bomb will be usable in combat. I figured it'll destroy resources and then also hurt enemies. And I think to balance it, I'll probably have it hurt the player also, because otherwise it would be kind of a god weapon if you were just impervious to the explosions. So we're just gonna do for I and the collision results. I have to see, like, what even is this? Okay, so we just want to say collider. That's really the only thing that matters. So we're going to say if I.collider is player, or actually if it's just an entity. I forget how to actually deal damage. Take damage. Take damage, new knockback, yeah. So we're just gonna say take 100 damage, because why not? So let's see what happens now with this. So it should deal damage to the player. It did not. Actually, it didn't even... I'm just going to print I.collider just to make sure I'm actually accessing the right thing. It did not include the player. I don't know why. I have collision mask as 2. Collide with bodies. It should have included the player. But it didn't. So now we have to figure out why. The player's on collision layer 2. So it should do it. The player is a body, yeah. I mean, that's good. We need more consumable items like that to connect the two parts of the game. Yeah. Because now you can make a bomb factory, then use those bombs in the dungeon. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Don't make it like the player will also take damage. Make it so it only does a little bit of damage to enemies. I don't know. I'll have to think about... We can try both ways and see what works the best. So the mask is basically the layer that the body detects. So they're two very distinct things, and it's good that they are. So the player is on layer 2, but it's colliding with mask 1. So anything that's on layer 1, the player will collide with. So it doesn't collide with any other players or whatever else. That's what the mask is. Yeah. The mask is basically just another flag saying which layers will I collide with. If I touch that layer, will I stop moving? So. What did I call that? Like resource. Object resource. So if it is that, then we're going to hit it. Oh, it's breakable. Right. The problem is that this is going to break structures as well. So that'll be fun. This is gonna be insane. Okay. You guys ready for this? So it should break the resources now. Oh, right, it does one hit. I need to make it do more than one hit. But the scary part is this. Ready? Oh no. Oh, it didn't work. Interesting. You know, I think I need to restart the game for this mask change to take effect. I think that's what the issue is. So we'll try that. Yeah, it's just specifically this one song that's too loud. So we're just gonna skip it. I know it goes hard, but also just lower Spotify a tiny bit. Okay, this should hopefully collide now with the right things. So let's give it a try, shall we? Let's plant a bomb right there. Oh no. Oh, this is evil. Oh no. This is horrible. I had to be careful about this. Oh no. It's destroying the entire factory. Oh goodness. Griefing has been added to Starground. There's so many items laying everywhere. Oh! Oh, expected 2 arguments. Whoopsies. Yeah, it needs a knockback. So I actually did damage to myself. The knockback is a vector. So we're just gonna say for now, vector 2.0. Satisfying pickup sound. Yeah, that's just me going, and then putting that into the game. It's probably exactly what C418 did, or it might have been Notch. I don't know. I know C418 did a lot of the sound effects for Minecraft, but that was probably just Notch. Okay, let's blow up everything again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So now the player should actually take damage. It's set to 100 damage right now, which is just insane. So we're gonna have to change that. Yeah, that's just an instant death. It's so dubious, just destroying everything. Oh goodness. This is pure evil right here, guys. Factory destroyed. It's kind of satisfying though to go through and pick up all the items. So how are we going to get around this? I guess the solution is checking if it's a buildable object or not. So it only destroys breakable things. And while I like the idea of blowing up the entire factory, that's kind of a bruh moment. So we probably will not want that to be a thing that happens, right? If you want to get rid of section fast. I know it's conflicting, right? Because it's like on one hand, it's kind of really convenient, right, to just clear out a section of conveyor. But then on the other hand, what if you accidentally place down the bomb? First off, what if people use it to grief? Right? There's a lot of things, a lot of potential hazards. So I'm conflicted. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Strength equals 1. Okay, I made it so you can define the hit strength. So we'll make it do 5. Maybe have a smart bomb which doesn't break the factory. Maybe. I don't know. Keep the code and then make a reset button which destroys everything. That would be brutal. Well, I think if you want to use the reset button, that would be the nuclear bomb. So, yeah. That would be a fun one to add. The screen will just go white and then your whole factory is gone. I mean, hey, that's why we have autosaves, right? Okay, so these bombs should be even more powerful now. It's gonna break everything in one shot. So right here, if we do this. Gone. I also notice it doesn't drop items, which is odd. You say let them destroy buildings? Alrighty. I'll keep it then. It's actually a good test, like for lag, and then also just making sure objects don't break. Also, why is it just like not dropping items now? That's a little weird. Okay, we gotta figure that out. So dot on hit, so we say hit strength is 1, so it's 5. So if can break current hits minus equals hit strength. and then update those hits. So if current hits is less than or equal to 0, drop items, then spawn items. I don't know why that has broken everything. Make a commander option for no grief and buildables like an MC. Yeah, that might be a good idea. So we basically have to say this is either max. I think that'll work. Or no, it's gonna be min. Is it just that it's going negative? I don't know why it's broken now. It's kind of weird. We'll figure it out. That's not it, right? Is it? No. Can't be. Just that I'm overriding the behavior on hit? I don't know. We'll see. Let's try this. No, it's still deleting everything. It could be that I changed on hit. Let's go find everywhere that that's being referenced. Glider.on hit. Should be okay. Huh. Yeah, I don't know why changing that like made it so it doesn't drop things anymore. Isn't that kind of weird? So it should be calling before free, which does the dust particles and stuff. That seems to be working. And then calling spawn items. If drop items. Is it because of something I'm doing here? Oh, chain drop is true by default. That's probably the issue. Let's go back to the bomb script. So this should actually be true. I think that's what my issue was. Let me try this again. Single player. Multiplayer. Not multiplayer. Let's give this a try now. This is gonna lag. It's creating a lot of items. It's actually not lagging nearly as bad as I thought it would. So that's a good sign. I thought like when it broke the chests it would be insane with the lag. But it's not actually that bad? What? So how does this work? Did I accidentally create something that runs well? Check it out, it's not even that laggy. No, there's for sure a lot of items on the ground. Well, that's pretty cool. It's not even laggy, bro. It's not just my computer, right? Like, huh. Did you know the average body temperature for every human generation is getting 1 Fahrenheit colder for every generation? Yeah. It's playing a mobile game to collect items, yeah. I'm playing that one game right now. What's that game called? It's like something IO. I don't know. It's cool to see the entire factory demolished. It makes me want to add a nuclear bomb. You know, and just go full in. Oh, 1 Fahrenheit hotter? Oh. Interesting. Yeah, I saw that Vsauce video about it. The world has been broken. Let's see if we can recover. Let's try to build a star launcher. Let's go to the dungeons. So let's see how OP this weapon is now. I need to make the timer a little shorter. Okay. If the timer was shorter, this would be a much better weapon. But you can also take damage from the explosion, so it's a high risk, high reward type of thing. See, if I walk into this, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Average time's like 96. Yeah. It's usually... Where's mine usually at? I don't know, it's been so long since I've taken my temperature. It's usually right spot on for me, 97.8. But man, this is a mess. It's cool though that the game can handle this many items. If you had this many items in something like Minecraft, the game would die. So that's cool. And I would have thought like all the shader stuff happening would have lagged it out, but I guess not. Okay. Awesome. So let's make the timer quite a bit shorter. I think like 3 seconds would be okay. I'm also going to add a sprite. And you'll see why. Circle radius. The problem is that the circle radius is blue though. So let's make it white. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to do a check it. I have to make it black and white first. Now check it. There we go. So this will basically be an overlay for the bomb that kind of warns you where it will explode. So otherwise that would be a problem. So now that this is there, let's change the color. If we go to visibility and then self-modulate, let's change it to a nice red. danger. Just to like so. So I'll either have this flash. Okay, question for chat. Would you rather have this flash like this, or would you rather have it kind of fade in and out? Which would work better? Like the flash? Okay. I'm gonna try to do something here. I'm just gonna print sign lifespan. Like fade, okay. So let's see, I need to add 1 to sign, then divide it by 2. So this should flip-flop between 0 and 1 now. So let's see what this does. Oh, I didn't round it. So it's not gonna work. Hold on. Round. Need one more over here. A lot of parentheses. Okay. And I'm just gonna load this up and make sure it works. So it's really easy to change it between either flashing or not, just smooth. Because it's using the same thing. Let's see what this looks like. So it looks like it's just stuck at 1. But then it goes to 0. Interesting. Let me just confirm this is doing what I think it is. It could be that I'm not doing sign F. No, sign should be that. Oh, I'm probably not doing round F. Yeah. Let's try that. Single player load the save. And let's give that a try. Yeah, it's still just staying there. Let's open up Desmos so I can actually confirm this. So we're doing sign of the lifespan, which we'll just do X plus 1 divided by 2. So this is what it should be doing, theoretically. And you know what? I think cosine is actually better in this case. So it starts at 1, and then it should go down to 0. And just flip-flop between the two. But I see. That is, the whole thing. So if we multiply this by, like, 10, then it should work. So, let's try that. Oh, the devastation. Oh, yeah, that's working better. Okay. So now we can just say... we can cast it into a Boolean. And then we can say... radius.visible is equal to that. Now let's see what it does. So, single player It's probably gonna be full opacity, so I'm going to fix that. If it would let me, okay. Oh, actually, we'll just do this. Instead of visible, we're gonna say self-modulate.a. That should be better. So, now if I place the bomb down, it does not seem to be working at all. So why is that? Yeah, that's just not working. No flashing. But it is, like, printing the values, so that's what's weird. You can see, obviously, like, it's here. Weird. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out why this is. Maybe we just do modulate. Or maybe it like got set to visible false. Let's see what's here. And then add the bomb. Oh, okay. So that works. Interesting. So yeah, it's really easy to change. Literally all we have to do is just remove the round. That does not add up. Something like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Oh, wait. Cosine, there we go. So now it should just be a smooth fade in and out. Yeah. I think I kind of like the smooth fade in and out a little bit more. But they're both good. So if I want 2 to be a maximum of 1/2, so if I divide it by 3, that gives us that. Let's try it by 3 and see what that looks like. Don't I have a function that I created? I don't. I think that was in a different project, where I was getting the sign between 2, like, specifying 2 ranges. But I should recreate that. Oh, man. Okay. Yeah, that's working now. All right. I mean, with that, we can probably go ahead and add a sounds. The other thing I want to do is maybe add like player screen shake. In Discord programming. I will in 1 second. Let me check something here on the camera. So I thought I had camera shake. Maybe I don't. Looks like I don't. Well, I know in here, like, when you use your tool, what do I do in here for that? Okay, so I just move the camera towards the cursor. And we do have the zoom, but I'll probably add another one now that's like, camera shake. So that's adding that, and then we're gonna lerp it down to 0, just like the other one. Man, you can log off for the night. Love watching. Hope you have a great rest of your stream /night. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Yeah. Have a good rest of your day, and good luck with the finals. Yeah. So this is gonna be camera shake variable. Okay. So, just trying to think how we can do this. I guess it'll just add random positions to the camera. Yeah. Uh-oh. Godot. Okay. So we're just going to say camera dot position plus equals camera shake. And then we're going to say camera shake is equal to randf range. I see. So instead of this, let's just say camera shake is a value. Oops. Active camera shake. Okay. So let's go back down and fix all this now. So this is just going to be basically random range between minus camera shake and camera shake. And that has to be a vector. So we will do both. And then camera shake will just lerp towards 0. So we don't have to do any of this garbage. Lerp F. And yeah, hopefully that'll work. And then back to the bomb. So, on hit. I'm also just gonna have another thing in here. Vector, like from just people me hit. Yeah, dude. Do I get nodes? Oops. Layers. I got gamma shake equals 5. Let's see if that works. Oh man. Gotta stretch it out. So, single player. Uh-oh. How's Lerp F go again? From 2, and then, yeah. Huh? Oh. Whoopsies. Let's try it again. Lurk. Alrighty. Sounds good. Oh, dude, here we go. Oh, it actually works. It's a little funny. So it should do more camera shake, but then it should go away from the player faster. So I have 1 delta, probably like 4 delta. And we will try that. It's kind of interesting with the lerping, because it's like a smooth shake. I don't know how to explain it. But I kind of like it. I think. Looks like it is indeed working. Yeah, looks like this is working. Give me 1 minute here. Uh-oh, the game crashed, so maybe it's not. Okay, I will be right back. We're back. Sorry about that. Okay. Wrong webcam. I don't know why I have this one. I'm gonna delete it. And also group. Yeah, I'm gonna delete that too. Need to clean up my act. Okay. Is there a screen flash? There's not, but that's an interesting idea. Could be something that I do. So this is a funny crash. This is related to destroying power poles. So it's saying it's trying to get satisfaction on an invalid instance. So this is a case where the power coil does not have a power network that you can reference. So this is a bad problem. The way I can fix this is by just saying if also the power coil dot power network is a valid instance. Oh, the new song. Oh, Sheik, are you here? You just think it's that one, yeah. It's all good. Actually, we'll just say or on this one. So this happened at the crafter. Interesting. Yeah. Just try and skip past the error. Yeah, we're okay now. Yeah, this is looking pretty good to me, I think. And then, of course, I need to set, like, a range on how far away a player can be until it does a shake. So... So, we're just gonna say as the player gets further away, it does less shake. So if you're in the bomb, it's gonna do a bunch of shake. So how could we do that? So we need a thing where, like, as distance gets bigger, it does less. Okay, I think I know what we can do. So we can say .i or... So let's say the range is 1024. So we're going to say range minus that. And then we're going to divide it so that when you're inside the explosion, it'll be like 20. So 1024 divided by 20. 1024 divided by 50. So we'll just divide it by 50. And the other thing that we have to do with this is, so say your distance is more than the range, we have to make sure we're getting, we're clamping it. So min max it. value first. The minimum strength will be 0 and the maximum will be 20. If that'll work. Does not seem to be working. Now, why is that? Oh, we just don't need that one there. So let's try that. So this should change the strength of the screen shake depending on your distance away from the explosion. So obviously if you're super far away from it, you don't want it to shake your screen because that would be weird. But if you're inside the explosion, then you probably want it to shake your screen quite a bit. So let's see how this goes. So let's just start in the explosion. So this should be maximum shake. So that's quite a bit of shake. And then if we run away, you can see it's a lot less. So yeah, that's working pretty well, I'd say. So we could run fast. Yeah, see, it's pretty minimal. So yeah, that should work. Nice. And we can try to get to the maximum distance. It's just too... Can't go fast enough, but yeah, it's fine. Let's see. Hello, Main Game is awesome. I appreciate it. I have a tutorial channel on YouTube. So cool watching working. Well, I really appreciate it. I do have the YouTube channel, Big Boy Games, and I don't really have a lot of tutorials up on there, but this is probably the place where they would go. Yeah, I have thought about doing tutorials. I'm just kind of like... The only issue with tutorials is they take up a lot of time. So I need to finish school first before I have time to actually work on stuff. I do have one short up, actually, that's a tutorial, which is this one.
You're going to need to add a lighting system.
There's a volume slider
If you've
now.
used
But it's just talking about how do you set up 2D lighting in Godot. It's pretty easy and quick.
other engines, you know how much of a hassle that can be.
So, yeah.
Fortunately for us, Godot makes it easy.
I've been thinking about doing more of these like short mini tutorials like this because I think a lot of the time this is all you need. You're just kind of trying to look up a really specific problem that you're having or how to do something very specific, and this is the way to do that. So but yeah, I mean, I'm always happy to do like bigger tutorials if that's something people really want on like a topic. I could do a tutorial on multiplayer if people want. You know, I'm happy to do whatever. I don't want to take away Bracky's because I know Bracky just started doing Godot tutorials, so definitely go check that out if you want a more comprehensive tutorial. That's his video is kind of one of those big like mega tutorial videos of how to make an entire game, which is fine, you know, if that's what you need. So feel free to take a look at that. I feel like Godot has a lack of tutorials on YouTube. Hard to find good ones. Yeah, no, definitely. I think it's just with any engine like this starting out, there's just not enough people using it to make it tutorials, you know. Unity has such a massive group of people doing tutorials, so it's a little bit easier in that case, but yeah, I can you know, mark it down that we've got someone looking for tutorials. So but and of course you're always happy to just pop in here during streams and ask me questions about stuff. You know, if you have a question about Godot, I can take a little break and kind of explain anything that you want, so just let me know. But yeah, I'm more than happy to do that. I've tried Unity before and I can't say why, but Godot is better for me than Unity. Absolutely the same here, yeah. Godot has been so much easier for me to use. I don't know, it just works with me better. It's hard to explain, like, there's a lot of small things, I think. I like how quick and snappy the engine is. I like that it's open source. I like how lightweight everything is. Unity felt like a very dense engine with a lot of things that you kind of have to understand. But with Godot, though, it's been super nice because it's just easier, I find, to learn. So that's a very good thing. But yeah. Yeah, always welcome to ask me questions. You know, I've kind of gone through a lot of the trial and error process of getting through Godot and learning things. Just because, like you said, that sort of lack of tutorials. So I am more than happy to answer questions. But yeah, we can get started on an explosion sound now. So we could go to Free Sound, which is a nice little website with free sounds. Wouldn't you believe it? Just search explosion. Oh, Brackies, I was watching his new tutorial video and I liked it. For now, I'm trying to understand the animation player node. Yeah, so I haven't used the animation player node a lot. That's kind of one of the things in Godot that I haven't messed around with too much. There probably are people on the Big Boy Games Discord that could help you more than I could. I know, I think MBG has used them quite a bit. But I know that they're a pretty versatile thing. You can just like manage these different animations, and then over on the right you can animate all of your different well, not here. Yeah, there's a problem. I don't I don't know much about these nodes. Yeah, for example, you could do a 3D position track, and then oh, that only applies to 3D nodes. But hopefully you kind of get the idea. Yeah, it lets you change things. It lets you change properties. So for example, I could go animate the damage property. And so we can add a keyframe, and this is the value at that point. So it's just kind of a way to control things, and it's pretty versatile because you can do like position animations and stuff, not just like a frame or whatever. So it's a really useful tool. I just haven't found a ton of places where I need to use it. That's the only thing. But it's definitely something that's really cool. I can try to learn more about it and maybe do a tutorial, but yeah. Unity's always felt bloated and slow. Yeah, I mean, Unity's fine and all. I don't despise anyone that uses Unity, but yeah, I just always kind of, it always felt like I was sort of struggling or fighting against the engine whenever I used it, which it's not really something you probably want to feel using an engine. So I figured maybe I should take a look at other stuff. And then I tried Godot out, and I love Godot. I think I'll use Godot for quite a few games at least. So yeah. It's okay, prefer to use which nodes for animations. Yeah, so I can go to that. I was thinking about this. I want to make a cutscene or just a scene showing the player dying and showing the message, you lose, press R to reload the game. Yeah. Now, an animation player node would probably be the right thing for that. Because you can manage all of those things in the same node at the same time. And so that would be a really good use case of that. The way I do my animation stuff, I mean, well, for my player, for example, I have a animated sprite 2D. And this lets you set all these different animations that you can play in scripts, which has worked well for that because it's just a simple thing. But yeah, for something like a death scene or cutscene like that, player dying, that would definitely be a good use of it. Because you could play the animation on the player, then you can like fade in a color rect over the canvas, you know, display the text and have all of that kind of centralized in the animation player. So that would definitely be the way I would do it probably. I will have to tackle that in this game at some point pretty soon, so honestly I probably will end up using the animation player for that, so. But yeah. You know, I'm noob and went terrible. Oh no, it's we all start out sucking. That's how we get better, so. Yeah, it's all good. I used to suck at Godot. I didn't know anything about it, so. It's really just jumping into things and learning as you go. And of course tutorials help out, so. Yeah, we gotta pick an explosion sound. Oh, this is probably really loud. I apologize. I'm gonna turn down my desktop. So that's an explosion. Let me know if any of these sounds good to you guys. It's a loud one. That's for the Oppenheimer. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Oh, we start out what? We all do start out sucking if you think about it. Even when we're little babies. Cool seeing you calculating things and thinking I can do the code. I'm loving it. Awesome. Well, I appreciate it, yeah. And I can be sure to kind of explain my thought process doing things, so hopefully that you can kind of learn what I'm thinking. These are so bass boosted. Oh, that one's got a... Well, that's a firework. Okay. A grenade? That's not... Actually, that's not too bad. I didn't forget. I'll do it. Let's add a... Oppen J. Heimer. When we're dealing with explosions, we gotta have him on screen. Okay. So there's this explosion sound, which is not bad. This is the grenade explosion. What do you guys think about this one? Because I think it sounds like the right size for this kind of bomb, you know? We also have, like, debris. In free sound, there's one called Crash Boom. Let me go look at that one. Didn't mean a link. That's the title. Oh no, it's not a link. You're good. Actually, could you send a link if you know where it is? Giant boom. Whoa. Oh, there it is. Let's check it out. That's pretty good. That one is not bad. Interesting. Make your own. I could try. I just don't even know. Whoa. I don't even know how I could make it. That's the issue. That's pretty cool. He used trash can lids, yeah. Oh, my ears. That's not an explosion, bro. What the heck? If this is too loud for the stream, please let me know. Okay. That's a pretty good explosion, guys. That's FNAF. That's a firework. Whoa. Is this gonna be on the murder? I hope someone gets that. That's a pretty big explosion. This one's actually good. Let me check it out. Yeah, I saw that one. That one's not bad. Yeah, it does have the different versions, which is nice. The only issue is that they have a little bit of a long tail. They have a 5-second tail, which is fine. We could modify that. That's the great thing about Creative Commons 0, is that this sound is public domain and we can modify it. So yeah, I'll probably open up Vegas. It's what I usually use for audio stuff just because it's quicker and easier than Premiere. Premiere takes forever. So, yeah. Just gotta wait for that to open. It's probably gonna break all my audio. I hope it doesn't break my mic. Looks like we're okay. Let's go to FBI website and get bomb footage. I don't know. You can make one, but it'll be 8-bit if that's fine. You're welcome to do it. I don't know if I'm doing 8-bit stuff in this. Probably not. Just because none of the other sounds are 8-bit as it stands right now. But you're welcome to, and I can hear it out. Okay. So let's split these up. So we'll just process this one for now. So really I just want to make it faster. That's actually not bad. If I just shrink it. Although it does sound a little odd. That's a shorty, let me try it out. Oh, you already did it? Okay. That one's good. I need like one in between those two, you know? Just a little bit longer than that one. But yeah, let me go ahead and check out what you sent over, Bobby. Yeah. Yeah, those are nice classic 8-bit sounds. It's probably not going to work for this kind of thing since it's sort of like a realistic explosion effect, but I do appreciate it though. Whoa, there's a bunch of messages in the Discord I need to look at. Let me reply to this now before I forget. Sorry, there's so much. I got pinged in. So what is this? Var number equals true. If true. So that would, I'm guessing you're talking about the bomb flashing. So that would work. The only issue is that that would run every single frame, so it would not work. But I appreciate it. I feel like it could have worked, but also I did leave for a bit, so the explosion may look more real. Yeah, I can show you what it looks like. I'll just open the project and show you. I do think going for a more realistic sound would probably just make more sense in the context of all the other sounds in the game, since they're all like real sounds. That's the thing. Because like the footsteps are kind of like a realistic grass kind of sound. So okay. But yeah, you can hear the sounds and the mining. That's why I'm just thinking like it would probably make more sense to do a more realistic sound. But let me show you the bomb. So when you use it, this is what it looks like. So yeah. Adding a sound to that will make a huge difference. So speeding that up isn't too bad. The only issue is that you kind of lose a little bit of like bassiness. Like that gravelly sound. You know? But I think it's a small sacrifice to pay. What if we played all of them at the same time? You can hear they're very similar. Actually, are these even different sounds? I don't think these are different sounds. These are the same sound, just repeated 3 times. So I'm just gonna not use the other ones. I kind of like it, it's funny. It sounds like so, like... What's the word? Almost like an anime sound, like a, you know, like an anime explosion. Like almost. It's interesting. I like it though. Man, there's so much I missed in the server. Sorry, I'm just reading through. Oh shoot! Someone asked me. Totally forgot to reply. Someone asked me if I know what starve together, don't starve together is, or who was that? Is the person who asked that in here? Because I'm sorry. I just I don't remember what happened, but I got sidetracked. I can go try to find the message where that was, but this might be difficult. Yes. It was you oh yeah, that was right before the raid. Okay, let me go respond to them super quick. Some person, are you here? Or not? You know, maybe this doesn't need to be slowed down, or sped up, I mean. Now that I think about it. Yeah, it was you. Sorry, I forgot to... That was right before the raid happened, and I was like, oh, this is a thing going on right now. But the answer to that is yes, I do know what that game is, and it's fun. It's kind of hard sometimes, especially Don't Starve Together is difficult, because you actually have to be a coordinated team. But, yeah, that's a fun game. Maybe we'll play more someday. Not more. Maybe we will play someday. Yeah. Do I have any recommendations of a software for animating in 2D? Yeah, so that's a good question. Just to clarify, are you kind of planning on doing like character animations and stuff like would you be animating like assets for a game, or are you thinking more of like an animated, like, you know, movie? Not a movie, but you get the idea, like for entertainment purposes. Look at memes. Ayo. No way. I can't believe this. EVD. Did you ever play Oxygen Not Included? Same studios, Don't Starve. Yeah, I do like that game. Oxygen Not Included is really fun. I haven't played for a long time, though. The last time I played was back when it was in early access. I'm pretty sure it's out now. But it's a really good game. I definitely would like to play it again sometime, because I never played all this new stuff with the spaceship and stuff. That just wasn't in the game when I played. So I would like to try it out again and actually fully experience it, because I haven't. So yeah, like the spaced out. I guess I don't have... It's a DLC. Yeah, I don't have it, but if it goes on sale, I can go ahead and wishlist it. So yeah. But yeah. It seems cool though. You might like game a ton, yeah. Nice. Space Out's a fun DLC, yeah. I'll have to try it out next time it goes on sale. Sorry, I'm just making sure this explosion is set. Yeah, sounds like we're good. So, let us export this as a WAV. Love making oxygen out of piss. No way. Yeah. And then... So you said you want to make a fan animation for Starground, yeah. So yeah, it just depends on the kind of style you want to go with. Yeah, as Ace just said, grease pencil and Blender is really good. Of course, you kind of have to know Blender, but honestly, I would recommend learning Blender regardless. So, That's definitely something I recommend. I'm gonna bring back up desktop audio now that we're not listening to the super loud sounds. So yeah, I definitely recommend that one. Other ones that you could do, I know Dylan uses, what was it? Was it Fire Alpaca? No, not Fire Alpaca. There was another one that he uses. Was it Fire Alpaca? Do you know, Ace? Oh yeah, he uses Toon Boom. So Toon Boom is another one, I guess. I haven't used Toon Boom, but you know, it's an option. Other than that, there's not really a ton of great options. There's also like Adobe Animate, which you could maybe look at, but honestly, if you're able to do what you want to do with Grease Pencil, use Grease Pencil. So, oh yeah, Krita, that could be one. This could probably work too. I mean, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of free ones also. Krita's open source, so that's cool. But yeah, I don't know if this is really set up for animation as much as just drawing, though. That's the thing. I mean, it does have animation timelines, so yeah, I mean, Krita is an option too. There's a lot of options. It just depends on exactly what you want to do, you know? You just have to compare features and think like, okay, if I'm just animating, then pick the one with the best animation stuff, so. But yeah. I've learned a little bit of Lua because of a game that I have that allows you to program old retro gadgets. Oh, that's, is that, Zachtronics game? I think I might have seen that. Or it might not be a Zachtronics. There is one, though, where you, like, build these little gadgets or something, I think. But yeah. Majority of drawing programs have some level. Yeah, that's true. A lot of them. Yeah, there's a lot of options, so pick your poison. It's not going to hold up a dedicated animation software, but it's workable. Yeah, that's fair. Okay, explosion. So, yeah, retrogrades. I think it's a Zachtronic. Retro gadgets. Never mind. Wait, maybe? No. I thought it was. I think there's another one I'm thinking of, but I did see this game, and this looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think I have this wish listed. I do want to get it at some point, because it seems really fun. Be able to build your little gadgets. I thought there's another one, though. There was one that was very similar to that, I know. We will find it. Last Call BBFs is kinda like that, but not really. That's like different games in one. I swear there was it Shenzhen IO? Maybe? Space Cam. Space Cam is cool. It might have been this one. I think you build like circuit boards. Yeah, you did show me that, Ace, a while ago. I just never ended up getting it because it never went on sale, I don't think, but I would like to get it. Okay, explosion. Where is it? A, B, C, D. There it is. And then on the ready event of this bomb, also, I'm gonna go ahead and just say dot pitch scale randf range from 0.75 to 1.25. Okay. Okay. So this should indeed work. I'm hoping. It better work. No, it's in the master. Let me, we're okay. All right. I think that pretty much works. What do you guys think? It might be a tad bit loud. But let me go ahead and drop one and then run away. I think the range could just be reduced a tiny bit. I think instead of that, let's do 768 on the range. And then same with this down here. We'll give that a try. Let's also just decrease the volume a tiny bit so it's not bursting our eardrums every time. Maybe even a bit more. But we can try that. Because I don't want these to be, like, annoying to use because of how loud they are. So, let's give it a try. So let's do the bomb. I do need to have, like, a, you know... Yeah, that's a little bit better. I don't want to burst my eardrums. We could go up top. Yeah. That attenuation range seems pretty decent. Yeah. Because obviously if someone does an explosion, you're going to hear it. So, alright. Cool. There's a miss input space in line 125 of global.gd, really? I don't know if that's going to be the same line anymore. Are you talking about right here? What is the, like, code that you're referencing? Because it's probably a different line now since the Steam changes. $127? Are you talking about this right here? The space at the end? Oh man, I'm sore. That's right, yeah. It is gone. Yeah, I had a second space. There you go. I won't. There you go. Fixed. We fixed it being one extra space. Now it is a bunch. No, I won't. Okay, so other things that I have to do in here. Camera shake. Technically I did add cheese. And now we have to do a sound effect. We have to go... You guys ready? Wait. That'll do. Snake. Yeah. So this will be the fuse. So we'll have this one go over here. fade it up to that point. That's the thing with this program. Okay. So now we should be able to do this. It's close enough, probably. Just to have it even closer, I'm gonna do this. Oh, see, it gets rid of the thing. Okay, there we go. So we want it to fade up to that point until right there. You want to pitch shift that up? Yeah, we could try that. Oh, sorry, it's probably really loud. I kind of forgot about that. Oh, shoot. No. Oh, I see. No. Oh. Let's have it just snap to something. Weird. Let's try that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Loop it. It doesn't really need to loop, that's the thing. Okay, so let's modify this. So you're saying pitch it up? I might also add a... You know what I mean? Where's pitch? You're saying like that? I don't think that is better. I don't know. Is this killing everybody's ears? I'm gonna turn down the stream. It probably is. But now if I do that, I feel like I need to... I had it, then I changed it. I don't know, this doesn't sound right. Or I could just try to do like... I need to listen to a fuse sound effect. Burning fuse sound effect. See, that's the thing. It's more staticky, right? Imagine you sound waves for... Bro, come on. What if I purposely make it worse quality? Like, can I do that? Like, enhance it. Keep enhancing. Just keep adding them on there, you know? Let's just add a few more, you know? Enhance. 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 Enhance it again. Maybe? What about a stutter? Oh. The stutter is what I need. Get rid of all these dumb enhances. And get rid of pitch shift. Sparklers make a great sound effect for this if you want to grab one off free sound. Yeah, I mean, I could make my own sound or just get one. Get a sparkler. I mean, it sounds pretty similar to what I have. Oh, interesting. It is a garden sprinkler, isn't it? No, it's... That's totally a garden sprinkler. Oh, man. Okay, let's bring that back down. Slow down the playback a little. I could do that. But then it sounds bad. Me pumping air. Yeah. It's all screwed up. Gravel. That's not gravel. Low bell. Walkie-talkie. Crystal ball. Just default. I don't know. Can we use a sound effect, Ace, on something? Sparkler. What if I do like a... Will that sound better? Like a... That's actually not bad, though. What do you guys think? Yeah, we'll use it. Explodes. Me for real, though. You can hear me go just a little bit. It's good enough. It's gross? Bro, you're gross. Trust me, it'll sound like a bomb when it's in game. Okay. And let's go get it. Sounds like my nephew blowing bubbles out of his mouth. Yeah. Nah, it'll be okay. Toony Circ, where every now and then the bomb sound effects is you saying boom. Yeah. I could do that. Or just explosion. Must see the bomb. Make the Jess and I are there. I will add a nuclear bomb into Starground. This is me confirming this feature. Nuclear bomb will be coming to Starground, okay? Autoplay. Fuse. Okay. And then we're gonna say use that. Stop. Yeah, clip it so that you can remind me. Can hear it now. Sounds like the cow level moves in D2 in my head. No way. Oh, hydrate? Wait, that's not what it is. I scrolled down back. Oh, it is hydrate. Oh, some good water. Okay, are you guys ready for a freaking explosion? An explosion of flavor. I'm joking, it's not food. I wish. I think that's fine. Maybe make the fuse a little quieter. Maybe go down to -15. Hey, what's up, MVG? How's it going? I'm just blowing everything up. Whoa. Yo, that was an epic. It exploded right when. Also, sorry, I didn't see all this. BK Tech World, thank you for the follow. And also Rainforest John, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Crazy that happened at the exact same time. I feel like it's one of those sounds, if you don't know what how it was recorded, it sounds much better. Yes, this is true. Okay, so we need to change a few things. First off, the range on this does not need to be that big. Next off, let's make it even quieter. Next up, let's change the pitch scale. Can you guys believe it? I am the bomb. Who voiced the bomb? Me. Holy moly, we're Oppenheiming with this one. I know we are. It's crazy. I know. I hope I don't accidentally save. That would suck. What about throwable bomb? That's a good question. I don't know if I'm gonna do throwable bombs, but this works pretty well for now. Well, now I made it too quiet, I think. I'll just bring it in between the two, -20. Yeah, how did I record the sound? I just went... I didn't do the explosion, though. That was recorded, not by me. That was through Freesound. Just grabbing a random sound. So, yeah. Meteor shower. Would be cool if there's a meteor shower. I probably wouldn't make it destroy everything, though, because that would suck. The voice actor for the Wise Tree is the same as the bomb in the roll. Yeah, it's insane, I know. I can't believe it. You're blowing this popsicle stand. No. What's your favorite weapon combo on the live patch? I like the double strong plus dagger blade. that one is a fan favorite. Because of how insanely fast it is, yeah. But yeah. I think the audio's desynced. Well, it's not on my end. So if the audio is desynced, then it is on Twitch's side. Explosion name of only his mouth. It's incredible. No. This is false information. Hey, Cool Little G, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. No, the explosion was just a random sound online. Yeah, it was working. I did make the dash sound, yeah. I did this sound with my mouth. I just went... A lot of the sounds are made with my mouth. The pickup sound is made with my mouth, as you can hear. Hold on. I need to change the dropping mechanics in this. That was made with my mouth. Game Theory is about to make a video about Starground sound effects. Yeah. Meteors have a 1% chance to summon a detonated nuke. That would be catastrophic if that happened. This game looks dope. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Picking up. You didn't expect it, really? All it is just me going. So, I did not make these sounds. Did I? Oh yeah, these were made with JSFXR, the inventory sounds. So, but yeah, the pickup sound, the classic. It's what everybody that adds in items that you pick up do the classic as the pickup sound. It's just easy. And now that everyone's played Minecraft, that's kind of like in everyone's heads of what picking up stuff sounds like. Let's blow it all up. Yeah. Alrighty. Are you dropping more items to pick up? Just so that I can play the sound to pick up. How long have I been doing game dev? Yeah, so I kind of started back in 2017, which is the first foray into things, but I didn't really do a lot of game dev back then. It was kind of me just and I did it with Ace back then because we were working on a game, which I have brushed into the Mariana Trench. It is no longer. We don't talk about that game. Yeah, that went okay. It was just me kind of learning things. I actually started off not doing any programming because I just did just the art. Because I actually started with pixel art, but eventually got to a point where I realized I could probably do a better job on this game if I also did the programming, so yeah. Sorry about all the explosions. I'll turn desktop audio back to normal. But yeah, I'd say around 2020 is where I started to get more serious about it, and I actually spent a lot more time working on game dev stuff. That's when I started working on Pogo Rocket. So, but yeah, yeah, I've been sort of just ever since 2020, kind of just been doing it. So it's been fun. That was brilliant. Yeah, make a planet crash on your planet every 5 minutes. That would not be very playable. That would be yeah, that would be something. Are you the item pickup sound voice actor? Can I do the voice? There you go. Do you think you'll have multiple harvestable plants in the future with different resources? Yeah, so I was actually thinking about maybe doing that today, but we are out of time, so I will not be doing it today. But I want to add farming really soon. And part of me doing this whole consumable item hotbar setup has been me getting ready for that. Because basically my plan for farming is that you can plant these different crops and turn them into food or potions that you can bring into the dungeons. And then having these hotbars down here so you can hold these items, that's how you actually use them. So, of course, as you can see, the bomb is now a usable item. I still have to fix the issue where you keep using it even though you have 0 of them. But yeah. So really the next thing for the bar, after I get a couple issues with the bomb worked out, then I'm gonna add the farming stuff. So I do have some food actually in the game, which is not in the game. But there's an apple that's in the game actually. And no one can actually really see it, but it is in the files. This is the apple. So the apple will probably drop from trees, I think. I might make it a chance so that like they drop only when you manually mine the trees. I don't know. I'll have to think about that because then it's like a whole nother resource people have to sort out of the wood, so I don't know if that would be a good idea or not. I'll have to see. So I'm just blowing everything to smithereens. We could add a little bounce effect to the camera zoom when you are close to an exploded bomb. Shape of bounce. So by bounce, do you mean like it just moves, or are you saying more like the camera like zooms in and out as like a bounce? Because I actually already have a system set up for that. So we could experiment with that. But I could just make it so it does a little zoom in. Who did the programming then? That was a different person. He did all the programming. But he didn't do a very good job. That's the issue. And, you know, back then we were all stupid and young, so we didn't really know how to program. I don't think he knew very well either. But it got to a point where he just wasn't doing it, and so like I was like, well, I'm gonna do it because it's taking too long. And that's why I started programming. Said the bomb doesn't destroy resources. Well, I can make it so they destroy resources, but then, you know, it's a real griefing tool if you can destroy people's resources also. So I don't know. I have to think about that. Maybe it could be an option or something. These will drop apples, wood, milk. Yeah. Maybe it'll be a special type of tree that drops milk. I don't think it'll be all the trees, because that would be pretty crazy. But yeah. They do destroy the trees and rocks. Watch these. Gone. They destroy them. I don't know what you guys are, what you're on about. Watch. Gone. I can go ahead and go to the dungeon and showcase, like, destroying something in there. Actually, what's nice is it already destroys, so it harms enemies, but it also destroys the, like, decorations, which is cool. So the bombs are clearly good for, like, taking out the mushrooms. Yeah. Oh no! So it's an interesting strategy, because you gotta get the enemies in the range. Bomb only run? It's possible. Come on, come on! No! Oh! Okay. That's kind of fun, but it's kind of hard, too. You can really group them up. You just have to stand ahead of them. Come on! Okay, well, I got one. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna, like... Oh, yeah, come on! Oh, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh! Yes! I'm doing it. Okay. But yeah, actually, should I hide Oppenheimer? Thoughts on Oppenheimer? Should I hide him or not? So you zoom in and out, but more elastic, like. Yeah, I could maybe do that. I can look into that. Tree, yeah. The milk trees will come. What's he had? Homing bombs, yo. That'd be cool. Maybe like a more advanced bomb could maybe be a homing bomb, like a missile launcher. Can't see more of the game without hearing Chip and all the sounds. Yeah. I am everywhere. You have a second new multiplayer? Yeah, we can do it. Sure. Let me, oh, I can't close that. Uh-oh. Okay, let's quit. Milk trees will... That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Let's play it. Yeah, I've got to go end off the stream here in a minute. I am very busy because this is today I have a final I have to do, and just a bunch of other assignments that I have to do. So, okay, multiplayer. Go ahead and join me. I can invite you if you want. Oh. Oh no, I thought you joined. I'll just, anyone that wants to play, go ahead and join. Challenger has arrived. Hello, Sheik. I don't know what MPG wants to show me. Huh? Headphones? Oh, I have a stupid headphone thing going on. Click the final. Hope you do good on it. Well, I appreciate it, yeah. I hope I do good also. Ah, I got stuck in the lower part of the map. Yeah, I don't... It's a stupid bug that I can't fix because it's a bug with Godot Steam. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I mean, I'll do like the timeout connection type of thing, and hopefully that'll be enough. Yeah, it's frustrating. I'm just gonna have to keep thinking about how to solve that. Yeah, I can try inviting you instead. Where are you? Time to search. Oh, I got new. No way. Invite to game. There you go. I'm zapping Oshik. I do have to hurry up and finish up the stream, so let's try to get this going. I can't hear anything because my headphones died. Oh no. I forgot that you can put images in there. You can use an image tag as your profile, as your username. So your username could just be an image, which is kind of funny. I forgot about that. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can access all of the sprites now in the game. Yeah. Yeah, that is a feature. That's kind of fun. Oh, you got stuck over here. Dang. That's crazy. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to let everyone know about that. Yeah, the pickaxe head can be shown. Whoa, what's that? I don't know if this is gonna work. It did not work. I don't actually know how to do it. We should play with friends. No one has the game. Yeah. I mean, you're always welcome to get people onto the server to get sign up for the keys, because the keys, there's an alpha sign up going on. For anyone that doesn't know, by the way, I should have announced this earlier on another stream. But anyone that wants to get a key can join the server and then go sign up for the alpha testing. It is open as we speak. It's closing on Wednesday, though, so. Oh, okay. So image equals size. Okay, so you just did. So we'll just say sprites. I don't know if this is even a... So that didn't work. Ball left the game, no way. That's so funny that you can do that. Only problem is that you can do something else. Well, I think you can only do images that are displayed on the client's computer. Can I invite you again? Yeah, sure. I do have to end off the stream, but we'll get started on that. Join through Steam menu doesn't work. Really? That's weird. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting things wrapped up. But hurry up. Don't know who we're gonna raid today. So we're gonna have to find someone. No one's raiding these days, I don't or not raiding, streaming these days. Oh yeah, today's Cinco de Mayo, isn't it? Ah, no! Oh no, bro. A bug identified. Could you please make a bug report? Oh god. Okay. It's not a feature. It's that is a bug. That is a bug. I don't know about that. I forgot that you could do that. Man. Yeah, that's a problem. I'll have to set like a maximum size on the player. No, it's so weird. It's like overlapping the... Man. This is all sorts of screwed up. It is pretty funny, but also... Oh boy. Oh, look, it's the pickaxe tool, guys. That will be in the game soon. I just gotta work on it. I have to figure out where I'm gonna actually have it spawn. Oh boy. Okay. I'm closing out of the server. Yeah, that is gonna be it for today's stream. Thank you everybody for popping in. As I was saying just a minute ago, we do have alpha testing applications open on the Discord, so be sure to join that if you want. Yeah, we're gonna go pick somebody to raid. If anybody has ideas for who to raid, let me know. We're gonna go find somebody. So live stream, yeah, no problem. I am always happy to stream. I'll probably be live next Wednesday, but it depends on the final situation. I might have a final during stream time, so I have to check on that. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what works. But yeah. Looks like Mr. Goon and Watch is streaming. So we could go ahead and raid him. He's been working on a horror game in Godot, which is cool. So we could go check out how progress on that has been. I have to watch ads though. This is tragic. Did my audio just come back? I think it did. It did, yeah. Weird. Sometimes my headphones do this thing where it just goes quiet. I don't know why. So it looks like he's there. Yeah, we could go raid him. So we'll do that. All right. Well, thank you everybody again. We're going to go start the raid. So let's go get going on that. I do like that it shows me all the actually other people that are streaming. That's kind of nice. Yeah. This raid menu is totally different because it recommends all these other people to raid now when you start a raid, which is kind of cool. And it shows a few of the tags. It doesn't show all the tags though, and sometimes it gives you categories that are totally different. So there's pros and cons. Uh-oh. Cheese break. No. Okay. I guess we have to cheese break while we leave again. This is exactly how it went down last stream. Leave your favorite cheeses in the comments. You know what? No! Least favorite cheese. What's your least favorite cheese? We already did favorite cheese. Tell me your least favorite cheese. And why is it Swiss? Goat cheese. That's fair. Goat cheese is interesting. I'm not always feeling like goat cheese. Sometimes goat cheese can be good, but Maybe on a cracker every once in a while, but like on a sandwich, I think that would be a little weird. Spray can cheese, that's actually a good answer. I don't think spray can cheese is very good. Cheddar fake plastic cheese. Are you talking about my good old pal American cheese? Because American cheese is great. I'm just typing in. Good watch. Okay. Yeah, that's an interesting cheese, John. I probably wouldn't. Yeah, I probably would put that down on my list of worst cheeses. Yeah. You can't say crackers? Why? Oh my god. If I can't say crackers, then this is what has Twitch done? Pan-fried goat cheese and puff rice breading. It's weird. Yeah, like, goat cheese can be good. You just have to use it the right way. Otherwise, it's, like, too strong. Twitch hates that word, dang. What on earth is spray can cheese? Oh, boy. Look it up. It's cheese in a spray can. I mean, it is what it is. All right, I'm going to start the raid, but thank you, everybody, for letting me know what your least favorite cheeses are. But, yeah. Let's go ahead and start the raid. Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Stay fresh, cheeseheads. Oh, I forgot I have to wait 10 seconds. Dang it! That would have been the perfect send-off. Oh, no. Hydrate? Okay, we'll hydrate before we leave. There we go. I know, it was bad timing. Okay. See you later, guys. I was trying to think of a funny cheese pun. I can't think of any. I'm sorry. Okay, bye-bye.